Hello, good morning. This is New York City. This is called Caribbean Cuts. 28th Street, where my school is located. And you can see that they sell everything Caribbean. What about that? Look at that. It's one of, I call it the little shop of horrors here on 28th Street. They even sell just pods of bananas, spray painted tropical. It's a lot of event design work for large scale items, but look at the fascination. These are called beehive. Does it look like a beehive? Look at that rare bird of paradise, black and white. They sell really large palms if you're doing a large event, like at the Met Gala. Oop, there they are now, see? He's pulling some in. Hanging heliconia right there. Regular heliconia. Alien babies. It's all here. See what's over here. More of this and more of that. All in New York City on 28th Street, right across the street from my school. Look at those large palms. Nice big palms and all kinds of tropicals. Michael Gaffney, flowerstool101.com in New York City. Come visit us. Flower School 101 here in the tropics.